about time for me to change out my wig. I've had this one in for a while now, and I'm ready to change it and put in a new one and look like a different person. So I bought 3 wigs from Shein. I don't know why I put up 3 fingers like that, but I bought 3 wigs from Shein, and I'm gonna review them and put them on in this video and see if wigs from this website are worth it. All the wigs I'm showing are synthetic wigs, and they were pretty cheap, and I had got them all in brown because it's like brown hair, and brown is just like my color hair that I love. The first one I'm gonna show is this one. This is the headband wig. It's really long. I think it's like, I don't remember. I think it was like 28 inches probably. 26, 28 inches. She's brown. I love brown. Wait a minute. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay. This is the headband wig. This is wavy. This is cute. If I just do my edges, it'll look better. If I had my edges laid.
She parked the beamer and hopped in the Benz. Yeah, I'm one of that man, still with that plan. Shoulder right hands, big head bands. Long way from Peabody, back in the A and the mileage to 10.
It's really long and really cute. It's not tangly either. The hair feels good for a synthetic wig. It feels nice. It's soft. This wig is most likely gonna be like my gym wig to just like throw on. So these are like easy wigs to throw on for the gym that you can sweat in without you sweating out lace, glue, and stuff like that. So the next wig I got is really different from this one. Curly, it has bangs. And I'm probably gonna have to do more work to it. This is how it looks. Curly and bangy. I don't have to glue it down. There's no lace, so that's good. Wait a minute. Okay. The sun is like changing, so it's messing up my lighting. Okay. Wait a minute. This is so cute, so curly. Just need to like comb it out a bit so it doesn't look so like perfect. You know, like comb her out some. She's like fluffy. This wig kind of smells weird. I like this though. I'm gonna glue down no lace. I got bangs. Don't do no edges. Just gotta like frizz it out a little bit so it doesn't look too perfect and too like wiggy. Make it like natural. But this is hella cute. And stick. That's like scissor vibes. It's not hard to comb through. Like I can just rake my fingers through it. This one is really good for a synthetic wig as well. for a curly wig is so long. Yeah, this is good. This is so easy to put on. An easy little throw-on wig, a little shake and go. A little shake and go wig to throw on. Gives is it feels secure. I put the little combs the combs that are in the wig. I just, you know, stuck them in my braids, my cornrows. This like it's really secure. I'm fudging with it. I'm fudging with it. This is so cute. Yeah, there's really not much to it. Much you need to do. Like this. Real simple, real easy. 10 out of 10 recommend. The first one too, I recommend. This is real cute. And look like it's getting scissor. So the third and last wig that I have is a lace front. So I actually have to glue and install it on my head, unlike these other last two. This is what it looks like on, but I've been gluing it down. I've been trying to apply to jobs, like pretty girl jobs, like Hooters, Twin Peaks, bottle girls, servers, and stuff like that. And that's really why I got these wigs. Because you know, for like pretty girl jobs, you gotta be all dolled up all the time. So I just need some like quick, easy, cheap wigs for that. I have such a like short hairline, a like far down hairline, like my edges like almost touch my eyebrows. So it's like I have to put glue on my edges. My edges are too far down. So when I put on wigs, I would just put the glue on my edges. It's just a little bit right there and it's fine. I forgot to freaking clean my forehead first with some alcohol. What I usually do first before I put on the glue. I got the glue on, I let it dry, so I'm gonna glue ski the wig down. Make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. I'll go ahead and throw the bands on. Keep them on for a while, probably an hour. So this glue can dry. I gotta put on 2 bands. I like to make sure. Gotta secure that thing. Okay, I'll be back in like an hour when it's glued down and dry. I finally finished installing the wig. How long it is. It's so long. I cut it a little bit though, but this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna go buy these wigs. If you need a cheap synthetic wig, I'll try to put the links to all of them in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to post weekly. If you like me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. But yeah, thanks for watching.